The harmonious pursuit. Finding peace and productivity in a demanding world. In the relentless churn of modern life, the pursuit of both inner peace and tangible productivity often feels like an impossible tightrope walk. We're bombarded with demands on our time and attention, leaving us feeling perpetually stressed, scattered, and ultimately, less effective in both our work and our personal lives. Yet, the truth is that peace and productivity are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they are deeply intertwined and can be cultivated together in a synergistic dance. Finding this harmonious balance is not a luxury but a necessity for sustained well-being and meaningful achievement. The common misconception is that productivity demands a constant state of frantic activity, a relentless push against the clock. Similarly, peace is often envisioned as complete detachment, an escape from the very demands that drive our need to be productive. However, a more nuanced understanding reveals that true productivity flourishes in an environment of calm focus, and genuine peace is not about avoiding challenges but navigating them with clarity and intention. Deconstructing the dichotomy, peace is the foundation for productivity. Instead of viewing peace and productivity as opposing forces, consider peace as the fertile ground from which true productivity can blossom. A mind riddled with anxiety, stress, and distraction is a mind ill-equipped for deep work, creative problem-solving, and sustained effort. Peace, in this context, is not the absence of activity, but the absence of inner turmoil that hinders effective action. Enhanced focus and concentration. A calm mind is a focused mind. When we are not battling internal noise, worries, anxieties, racing thoughts, our attention becomes sharper and more sustained. This allows for deeper engagement with tasks, leading to higher quality work and greater efficiency. Improved decision-making. Stress clouds judgment. A peaceful state allows for clearer thinking, more rational analysis, and ultimately, better decision-making. We can weigh options more objectively and avoid impulsive reactions driven by pressure. Increased creativity and innovation. True creativity often emerges from a state of relaxed focus, where the mind is free to explore connections and generate novel ideas. Anxiety and distraction stifle this process. Greater resilience to setbacks. When we operate from a place of inner peace, we are better equipped to handle challenges and setbacks without becoming overwhelmed. We can approach obstacles with a more balanced perspective and a greater capacity for problem solving. Sustainable energy levels. Chronic stress and anxiety drain our energy reserves. Point 3. Cultivating peace helps conserve mental and emotional energy, leading to more sustained productivity throughout the day. Cultivating inner peace. Practices for a calm mind. Finding inner peace is an ongoing practice, not a destination. It involves consciously cultivating habits that quiet the mental chatter and foster a sense of calm amidst the storm. Mindfulness meditation. Regular mindfulness practice trains us to focus on the present moment without judgment, reducing rumination about the past and worry about the future. Even short daily sessions can significantly impact our ability to find inner stillness. Deep breathing exercises. Simple breathing techniques can quickly calm the nervous system and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Focusing on slow, deep breaths can be a powerful tool in moments of overwhelm. Spending time in nature. Immersing ourselves in natural environments has been shown to reduce stress hormones and promote a sense of peace and well-being. Gentle exercise. Activities like yoga, tai chi, and leisurely walks can calm the mind while also benefiting the body. Journaling. Writing down our thoughts and feelings can help process emotions and gain clarity, reducing mental clutter. Prioritizing sleep. Adequate and restful sleep is crucial for emotional regulation and cognitive function. A well-rested mind is a more peaceful mind. Setting boundaries. Learning to say no to excessive commitments and protecting our time and energy is essential for preventing overwhelm and fostering peace. Unlocking productivity. Strategies for effective action. Productivity, when aligned with inner peace, becomes a more sustainable and fulfilling endeavor. It's not about doing more, but about doing the right things, in the right way, with focused intention. Prioritization and focus. Identify your most important tasks and dedicate your full attention to them, avoiding the pitfalls of multitasking. Techniques like the Eisenhower matrix or time blocking can be helpful. Time management techniques. Employ strategies like the Pomodoro technique, focused work intervals with short breaks, to maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Goal setting and planning. Having clear goals and a well-defined plan provides direction and reduces the mental stress of uncertainty. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Creating a conducive environment. Minimize distractions in your workspace and create an environment that supports focus and flow. Regular breaks and self-care. Stepping away from work for short breaks helps to refresh the mind and prevent mental fatigue. Prioritizing self-care activities ensures you have the energy and resilience to be productive. Mindful task switching. When transitioning between tasks, take a moment to mentally disengage from the previous one and prepare for the next, reducing the cognitive switching cost. Embracing imperfection and learning from mistakes. Perfectionism can be a major source of stress and hinder productivity. Focus on progress over perfection and view mistakes as learning opportunities. The synergistic relationship. Weaving peace and productivity together. The true power lies in recognizing the symbiotic relationship between peace and productivity. When we cultivate inner calm, our ability to focus and be effective increases. Conversely, when we experience a sense of accomplishment and progress in our work, it contributes to a feeling of satisfaction and peace. Start your day with intention. Begin your day with a few moments of quiet reflection or a brief mindfulness practice to set a calm and focused tone. Integrate short breaks for mindfulness. Incorporate short mindfulness exercises or deep breathing breaks throughout your workday to recenter and reduce stress. Practice gratitude. Taking time to appreciate the positive aspects of your work and life can foster a sense of contentment and peace, even amidst challenges. End your day with reflection and relaxation. Wind down before bed with calming activities that promote relaxation and prepare you for restful sleep. Align your work with your values. When your work feels meaningful and aligned with your values, it contributes to a greater sense of purpose and inner peace. Conclusion. A harmonious path to fulfillment. Finding peace and productivity is not about achieving a static state of perfect equilibrium, but rather about cultivating a dynamic and ongoing harmony within ourselves and our lives. By consciously integrating practices that foster inner calm and employing strategies for effective action, we can move away from the stressful cycle of frantic activity and towards a more sustainable and fulfilling path. This harmonious pursuit allows us to not only achieve our goals but also to experience a greater sense of well-being, purpose, and joy along the way. It's about recognizing that true success is not just about what we accomplish, but also about the state of mind we bring to the journey.